Hi everyone, Pierre from Into Fly Fishing. My buddy and I went fishing earlier today, and on our way out he got his brand new pair of 8 fans waders stuck in an old wire fence. Now this happens very frequently when you venture into the unknown, and although your waders leak, it doesn't mean that you have to chuck them. Fixing a small puncture or a tear in a pair of waders is very easy, and it's something that I've had to do many times. For this step-by-step procedure, we'll be following the instructions that come with each pair of 8 fans waders. First off, we need to establish the exact location of the leak. Now in our case it was pretty easy locating the leak, as I had to basically remove the wire from the wader. But if you keep getting water in your waders but you don't know where the leak is, dry the waders out completely, then wear them for a short period of time. You'll then be able to spot the wet areas inside the waders. After locating the leak, turn the waders inside out, as we'll carry out the repair procedure from the inside. Grab a pair of sharp scissors with a fine point. Here a pair of fly tying scissors work the best. Carefully separate the inner nylon material from the breathable fabric, being careful not to cut a hole in the wader. Cut a patch of the wader repair kit of suitable size, making sure that you have enough overlap to ensure a good repair. Then cover the wader's fabric and the inside of the patch with a smooth layer of glue that comes with the repair kit. Allow the glue to partially dry until it's tacky, which should take around 5 to 10 minutes. Now place the patch over the leak and get hold of something flat and heavy and apply constant and even pressure. Make sure to give it some good time before commencing to the next step. Get hold of the adhesive tape piece that also comes included in the kit. Place it over the damaged area and press it with a hot iron. And that's it, your wader should be as good as new after carrying out this simple repair. I hope that this video helps you out and that it keeps you on the water for longer. Until next time, cheers.